All right, so I just got this. It is a Terran bug zapper. So let's go ahead and we'll open this up and see what we can see. All right, so here, oh, good. But just comes right out. And I think that's it. That's all that comes with it right there. So I'm thinking that maybe it uses batteries. Yeah, because there's no USB cord. So let's pop this open. And this uses AA batteries. So you need 2 AA batteries, which I do believe I have. So let's see if we can get them in there. So they go in like this. There's 1. There's 2. So we got the batteries in. Then this is going to smush on like that. And then we're ready to go. I guess I just press this and then hit the bugs. Oh, I can hear it. Here. So that's electrified. And then we just gotta get a bug. Get out of here, bugs. All right, so that's it right there. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.